Are you tired of not being able to say what you want to say when you want to say it without worrying about it? Are you stuck in your shell, unable to express yourself, unable to contribute to the conversation, limited by what you're going through? Hi, I'm Alan and I'm from New Zealand. I've been working with Michael Williams and the Pro90D one-on-one coaching with Michael for about 3 months now. And I've noticed a dramatic change in my speech and in my life. Before I met Michael, I was struggling with the questions that I asked you just before. My day-to-day was difficult. At work, friends, family. I did struggle quite a lot. I followed Michael for about a year on my own until I decided to do the one-on-one coaching with him. And the reason I chose to do the one-on-one coaching with Michael is because, firstly, I knew that his program worked. I mean, even the year that I was doing it on my own, I noticed a small change in my speech. But the main reason that I actually went for the one-on-one coaching with Michael was because it gave me accountability. I had weekly meetings with Michael, video conferences and chats and things like that, where he held me accountable, and I had a structured program that I worked with him. And not to mention the wonderful group of excellent speakers that I was introduced to. It's a group of people that are going through the same thing as yourself. And it was really supportive. There's a big difference now, 3 months on. I'm still working on my speech, but I mean, phone calls, easy. Introducing myself and saying my name, easy. Life is different now. I have a bit of a different outlook on life, and things that I would sort of shy away from in the past. I don't think that way anymore. I'll text that friend, meet up with them for a coffee. I'll go to that conference, I'll meet someone new. Why not? Certainly life is different. One of the major aspects of the Pro90D program that was really helpful was the modeling. Now, this is something that I didn't really focus on before I met Michael. But after I met him, I realized that I was missing out on the main thing. So modeling was just a really fantastic way of, just accelerating your progress in this program. And Michael works with you on that, and it's fantastic. So thanks for listening to my little presentation. I hope it's given you some encouragement, and I hope it encourages you and kind of, points you towards doing the one-on-one coaching with Michael. It's certainly worth it. If you're thinking of doing it, there's no point waiting. You might as well start. I mean, it's a structured program. You work with Michael for a few months, and then there's ongoing, feedback and follow-ups from there. And you're part of this community, like I said before. So certainly join up and come and see us and have a chat with us. Once again, thanks very much for listening to my presentation.